Imagine a computer so microscopic it hides completely behind your morning coffee mug, yet so violently powerful it leaves massive, liquid-cooled desktop towers gasping for air. Apple has officially broken the laws of computing physics with the release of the Mac Mini M5. For decades, the tech industry brainwashed us into believing that serious performance required a giant, noisy metal chassis, a screaming array of cooling fans, and an electricity bill that makes you wince. But Apple just executed a brutal, flawless execution of that entire narrative. They took their most affordable desktop, shrunk its physical footprint down to an almost comical size, and packed it with a next-generation architecture chip that processes heavy data pipelines at a speed that feels outright illegal for a machine at this price point. The global tech community is in a state of absolute, chaotic meltdown over this machine. Budget film editors are abandoning their multi-thousand-dollar custom rigs. Software developers are staring at compile times in utter disbelief, and everyday creators are realizing they may never need to buy a giant desktop tower ever again. But beneath the tidal wave of glowing reviews, pristine unboxing videos, and corporate hype, a dark, uncomfortable question remains. Is the Mac Mini M5 truly a flawless computing miracle built for the people? Or has Apple engineered a brilliant, highly strategic trap inside this tiny silver box to force you into spending thousands more down the line? To discover the absolute truth, we have to tear away the polished marketing jargon and analyze exactly what happens when you push this microscopic powerhouse to its absolute crushing limits. The exact second you place the M5 Mac Mini on your desk, the sheer scale of the engineering seems completely impossible. Apple has re-engineered the internal thermodynamics from scratch. They managed to shrink the physical enclosure to a footprint that makes previous generations look bloated. Yet it runs in total, absolute silence even under exhausting workloads. If you are rendering a complex, multi-layered video timeline, exporting thousands of high-resolution raw images simultaneously, or running massive localized coding scripts, you will not hear a single whisper from the chassis. It sits on your workspace like a silent, matte aluminum block, cool to the touch, while its silicon brain executes billions of complex operations per second. The secret behind this technical wizardry is the structural leap of the M5 chip itself. Apple's architecture has reached a level of maturity where the efficiency-to-power ratio is completely unmatched by anything in the traditional PC world. The single-core speed on the M5 is so fast that standard daily tasks feel completely instantaneous. Web pages materialize before your finger fully leaves the mouse. Heavy applications bounce a single time and fly open, and navigating the interface is buttery smooth. But the real magic reveals itself when you trigger the multi-core clusters and the heavily upgraded neural engine. Apple built this chip with an intense, unblinking focus on real-time artificial intelligence processing and heavy machine learning tasks. If you are using modern software that relies on automated object tracking, neural upscaling, or running local large language models completely offline, the M5 chip shreds through the workload without a single moment of hesitation. For creative professionals, the Mac Mini M5 completely changes the economic math of setting up a commercial studio. Historically, you had to buy a premium laptop